So yeah, right now we're on a beautiful beach here in Ocho Rios. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's lovely. She's lovely. I'm lovely. Come on, man. This whole experience is lovely. Like, share, comment right now.
Low battery, bro.
Oh, fuck the battery. Is it still recording? Okay. Yeah, so like, share, and comment. Please click that nail. Listen. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell notification so that you can be updated whenever we drop a video. I'm not gonna lie and say we do it every other day or so, but nah. We drop it at least once a week, and we'll see you guys soon. Hey, I'm live though. You see this? I don't know. All right, creep. We ain't gotta put the camera all right there. Like, share, comment. Yeah, I don't care what nobody says. White man can't jump apparently, but they can dance because these people got more rhythm than me. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I do the same old two-step, and they committed. They came to Jamaica to learn how to dance hall. I don't even know what dance hall is. I went to the club, I thought it was just naked dancing. That's a goddamn shame. Ain't nobody open their damn beers with this. I don't care what you say. They ain't no damn beer opener. That's a vagina opener. You see that? If you get a red stripe with this, then somebody real nasty. This Airbnb is dope as hell and the city is dope, but our whole area, the water's been out since day one. So I gotta carry these dumbass water bottles like 2 miles. I know they seem small, but I gotta carry these bitches like at least 1.5 miles. About 1.5 miles. Man, still worth it. But I'm just letting you know, this shit ain't easy, but it's simple.
So I made me some smothered chicken over rice. That shit go hard too.
Yeah, guys, so we're checking out the Airbnb right now. I'm not gonna lie, I don't wanna go back right now only because I'm loving this area, I'm loving the place. I'm loving having floors. I'm loving having, I don't know, hot water. But at the same time, when the water was out, they didn't have a tank. Rod has a tank. I miss home. So yeah, time to go. Look at her just ready to go. Like, will you just come the hell on and give them the key so we can leave? I'm sorry. Oop, I'm sorry, girl. Hey family, so yeah, now we're back off the Ferry Hill, and I just want you guys to take a moment to think about something. I want you guys, even if you're wherever country you're living in, whatever state you're living in, just take a little getaway. Just sometimes you and your friend, your partner, whatever, just take a getaway and just enjoy other parts of where you are. And you know what? Airbnb is an awesome tool. So if you have never booked a stay, just click the link right there in the description. We got you. I'm telling you, I would not steer you wrong. I love it. And a lot of times you get to meet interesting people, but this time we want to be a little secluded. So we opted for renting a studio apartment, and we didn't want no host. We just wanted the room. But yeah, you can do it anyway. Check it out. And if you use the link if you use the link in the descriptions, you also get a 10% discount. So give it a shot, guys. So yeah, guys, look, the bus is not coming for a while, so we decided to take a route taxi from Ocho Rios all the way back to Port Antonio. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm excited. She's not, but hey, it's Sunday, baby, and we in Jamaica. Like, share, comment, smash that. Yeah, so right now we're taking a route taxi from Ocho Rios to Port Maria, and then from there to Noto. So yeah, keep your eyes open, guys. See you in a minute. So yeah, this concludes the video. Me and Kasha separated now. She gotta go home. Where is she?
Bye, people.
Yeah, so like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell notification. We'll see you guys next time. Give me some love, girl. Y'all be smoked.